Hey, it's Ben Horsley with Granite School District. I'm pleased to be with you here today to present a new feature at most of our junior high school locations. This is a doorbell system that allows us to secure the exterior doors of our facilities and control the access and flow of our visitors that come to our campuses. This will ensure that our students and staff remain safe on the inside of the building and that we can secure any potential threats that might be in a neighborhood area or threats that potentially could try to come onto our campuses. Key thing to remember when coming and visiting one of our schools is it's the same thing as it's always been. You need to have your identification, you need to be able to state your name and be associated or affiliated with one of our students, be on the registration card as it were, and you need to have a good purpose for being here on our campus today. So when I come up to the doorbell system, the first thing I'm going to do is simply ring the doorbell. They're going to answer, they're going to say something to the effect of, "Hey, welcome to blank blank school. How can I help you?" You're going to say, "Hey, my name's Ben Horsley. I'm here to pick up my student," and I'm going to show them my ID. And then they're going to manually unlock the door for me to be able to go into the building. So once I've come into the building, I'm not going to be right in the front office, but that's where you need to go. So I'm going to head straight down to the front office. In some instances, I might go to the counseling center to check in, pick up a student, or visit with a student, or fulfill some other sort of appointment. I'm not going to try to go to other parts of the building. If I choose to do so, I can assure you that administration and school resource officer would promptly be notified and potentially put the school on a lockdown until you could be located. So again, we'd encourage you to help ensure the security of our school. Once you've been allowed inside the building, you've stated your purpose and your ID and shown your ID, heading straight to the front office or the counseling center. Before we had these doorbell systems, you still had to show your photo identification in order to check out or come visit a student. We still need you to be able to do that, so when I come to the front office, I'm still going to have my identification handy. And again, this gets me inside the door, but then it also allows me to check out my child. We're so appreciative of our parents and their great support as we work to keep our schools and our students and our staff safe. We know that this new doorbell system has been effective in other places in reducing incidents of potential threats of coming onto campus, and we're excited to implement it here in Granite School District. Again, we appreciate your patience and support as we work to keep your students safe.